Good day everyone. In today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to perform a social engineering phishing attack on social media accounts. This video is strictly for educational purposes. Don't use it and hack someone's account without permission. If not, you're going to get caught. And when you get caught, you're going to be sentenced to jail. I'm showing you all this video for educational purposes. You should not perform such attacks on any other person. This attack, you should just test it on yourself for educational purpose. So let's get right into it. So as you can all see, I'm in my Kali Linux distro running on my Windows 11 laptop, and I'm running it through virtual machine. That's virtualization. You can learn how to do that using other YouTube videos out there. So let's get right into it. And in today's video, in performing this phishing attack, we are going to use a specific tool called HiddenEye. I believe you all know about this tool. So let's get right into it. So we are going to fire up our terminal and we'll download the HiddenEye tool by launching our Firefox. And then our Firefox, our main aim of entering our Firefox is to clone the repository. So we are going to go to GitHub. Of course, you know that's popularly where such tools exist. So as you can see, I'm going to clone this HiddenEye tool using GitHub, and as you can see under the code, you can see the HTTPS, and you're going to copy it. I'm not going to copy it in this video because I've already downloaded and I've already cloned the HiddenEye tool, so I'm just going to show you. You're going to copy it and you're going to go back to your terminal, and in your terminal you'll be inputting the command git clone, then you paste what you copied and hit enter. And when it's done cloning the tool, you change directory to HiddenEye. That's where I'm going to continue from since I already have the tool. So I'm going to change directory to HiddenEye, and in my HiddenEye directory I'm going to run or launch this tool. And to launch this tool, we are going to be using the sudo command, sudo python3 hiddeneye.py, and you're going to be told to input your password, and of course you should know your password, and wait for some minutes. And now as you can see, the HiddenEye tool has been launched. As you can see over here, HiddenEye modern phishing tool with advanced functionality, phishing keylogger information collector, all in one tool, social engineering. Now you're being told to select any attack vector, and in the phishing modules you can see Facebook, you can see Google, you can see LinkedIn, you can see GitHub, you can see Stack Overflow, you can see WordPress, you can see Twitter. And in this video I'm going to be using Facebook as an example. So you're going to put what's the number for Facebook, 01, and you're going to input that number 01, and here you're now asked operation mode, standard phishing page, advanced phishing, poll ranking method, Facebook phishing, messenger credentials, and we are going to be choosing the first one. That's standard phishing page number 1. So that's what we are going to put. Hit enter, and now you're being told to select the features you would like to use. And in this video I'm going to be selecting the keylogger. so it will be able to get the credentials gotten from the phishing link. So keylogger, that's A, and I'm going to click it. Now you're being told to insert a custom redirect URL. A redirect URL in the sense that when the target has logged into your phishing site, after clicking login, where he or she will then be redirected to. And since it's a Facebook phishing page, I'll still want it to be Facebook so they won't really notice the difference. So in my redirect here, I'm going to put the Facebook URL, the real Facebook URL this time. That's facebook.com, and I'm gonna hit enter. And you're told to suggest ports you want to use between 1024 to 65535, and you're to choose any port, and I'm going to be using 444 for this particular video. 4444. I'll hit enter. And now you're told to select an available server, and in this video I'm going to be using my local host because I told you hacking is illegal, and if you're caught hacking you're going to be jailed. So I'm going to be using my local host, though these are other servers like the Grok, that's 01. This is still a server where you can actually now send this link out to other people not in the same network. You can send it through emails, you can send it through social media platforms, but in this video I'm going to be using the 00. I'm not going to be talking much about the rest of the server because as you can see it's showing host down, not working now, not working now for the rest of them. So I'm going to be using my local host, that's 00, and I'm going to impute it and hit enter. And now you can see it has finally been created. Now you're being told to wait for target interaction. You should keep eye on the request coming from the target. And over here you can see the localhost URL, and this here is the link. So what you're going to do is to copy this link, copy selection, minimize your terminal, launch your Firefox again, and now you're to paste the link and hit enter. Yes, exactly. And now this is your phishing link, your Facebook phishing site or link. Now in here you're going to put your email. You can see here for your email or phone, and you can see here for the password, and I'm going to fill up something. So for the phone or email I'm going to put the phone number, so it's going to be then for the password I'm going to put anything. I'm going to put QWERTY, QWERTY, QWERTY. I'm sorry the password, the eye opener here to view the password is not here. I guess it's because it's a phishing link, so it's not going to have all the current things in the normal and the real Facebook. So I'm going to hit login. Don't save. I'm not saving the password because it's a phishing link. And here you can see the real and actual Facebook login page. This is the place you're going to be redirected to. If you remember, they asked for a redirect URL, and where I said that I'm going to put the real Facebook login page, the real Facebook login URL, and this is it. So now this is where you're going to be redirected to. I don't know if in a scenario you have really experienced this, whereby you actually put your credentials and hit login and it looks like nothing happened. In that case, a phishing attack has been performed but you didn't know, and you're being redirected here, and you will overlook it and be like, it's normal. It's not normal. You have either been attacked using the phishing method. Yeah, so this is now the real Facebook login page. So now let's go back to our terminal and see what happened. So in the terminal, you can see here, I believe you're all seeing it. In the terminal, you can see here, you can see waiting for target interaction. After that, it got, as you can see, getting pressed keys, and as you can see 08, and again you can see 3E84, and as you can see backspace, backspace, backspace as I cancelled it, and another backspace. Every single thing I clicked is what is showing here in the terminal. And when you go down, you can see here credentials found, your email, you can see the number I put, and the password QWERTY. So it's also going to show your user agent and the IP. So this is how to perform a phishing attack using the HiddenEye tool. And now I'm also going to educate you all on how to prevent such type of attack. I think the first method in preventing such an attack is to be attentive. Always keep close eyes at every link and emails clicked so you won't end up falling for such kind of an attack. Look very well. If you notice, the link, your phishing link, and the real and actual Facebook login link will be different. So in that way, you're going to know that it's a phishing link. Be very careful and do well not to fall for this kind of attacks. Thank you. I'm going to be rounding up this video now, and do me a favor, if you enjoyed this video and liked the content I just created, please hit the notification bar, subscribe, comment. Love you all.